Hi guys, this is me unboxing my nepenthes from Californiacarnivores and Cross Exotics. And this is a Cross Exotics logo right here. And I will be opening it up right now. And I'm gonna do my nepenthes seeds that I got from Californiacarnivore from Peter Mato. And these are my seeds. These are the logos, and this is a scan, or this is Sardinia, and this is a scan logo. And these are my seeds right here. This is my nepenthes ventricosa cross densiflora cross robcantleyi cross hamata. I'm not gonna open this up because the seeds might spill. And then I'm gonna open this up too. And what's in here is a nepenthes lowii trusmadi BE 3100. And this is kind of rare species. And there's another nepenthes in here that's called nepenthes Palawanensis, and it's BE, I forget the BE, but when I open it up, it will be the right one. Here's a Cross Exotics logo. And here are my nepenthes. This is my Palawanensis BE 4013 in my nepenthes lowii BE 3100. And it's in a little plastic bag. And this is my nepenthes lowii trusmadi. As you can see, it's small and little. And this is my lowii, and it's a little bit small. And my other one is my first Palawanensis BE 4013. And here it is, my nepenthes Palawanensis, and it's very small. But here's a dried old picture, and there's some new growth coming out. Here's a picture right here. They're a little bit small, but they'll grow bigger. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye.